The club's got a lot of history to it. It was established in 1894 and it's played host over the years to different members of the royal family. We've been with the club for 26 years and I've been associated with the club for over 30 years. The site that we're looking after is currently about 189 acres. The grounds are mowed roughly twice a week. We use the 7.3 metre Swift mower. We do find that it's a very high capacity machine. On good conditions we can get up to sort of 12 acres an hour, and when you're on such a large acreage here you do need something that will get through the ground and leave a high quality finish. And the finish it gives is as good as a cylinder mower. The dead grass, it doesn't leave it in windrows, it spreads in dead grass very evenly. With the added advantage of having rollers front and rear, it levels the ground back down to its original condition after we've had 8 or 10 horses running over it. A lot of the players have commented on the quality of the finish. They're obviously looking more to how the ball is running. A polo ball is 3.5 inches in diameter. The surface you're looking to play on obviously has to be of a high quality. They are very, very pleased with the cut they're getting off the Swift mower. The build quality is excellent. Some mowers that are out there, they look the part, but after a few years you can see the mower hasn't taken life too well. The swing tip blades are excellent. If you hit a horseshoe you get very little blade damage. We've cut over 1,000 acres with one set of blades and we haven't replaced them yet, and we've only sharpened them once. With regards to the running cost, there's no belts, the maintenance is very minimal. It also doesn't sap power when we go onto the much heavier grass. We find that the level of cut still remains of a high quality, and also the fuel consumption doesn't seem to go up as much as what we were expecting. Certainly yesterday we were in some very heavy grass and we were cutting for 8 hours, and the tractor came back, was used barely half a tank of fuel, which for a mower of this size is very good. Certainly compared to a lot of other mowers out there, we find the quality of the Swift excellent.